What do you how you and God don't take relate when you say as your papa spirit is strong to kill, to make money?
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Now, wow, for people nowadays, I be children. Our youth, wetin dey happen? People, I beg me, I feel welcome my beautiful people, my Naija daughter people. Thank you all for always stopping by, for always supporting una girl, una daughter, una sister. I appreciate every one of una. My people, I bring this news come out. This things, I don't know whether una don see am o. This guy wey wan use the papa, hey God oh, Bible read talk am say end time na end time we really dey oh. And Bible still let us know say train your child the way she or he will grow, so that we not depart from the word of God, so that you go dey follow the footstep when you teach am. How can this kind child just say you wan use the papa do money? My people, the video dey oh, the evidence dey. This native doctor, God go bless am oh. Yes, I will pray. But when e for fit handle this guy, if na some e no concern them, they will say na their job. They go even see say small pikin go wan dey use the mama, person wan dey use the mama till they do ritual, they go accept am. But this man when God go in fact go blessed, when e come see say this guy wan use the papa do money, my people, person just open mouth. Your papa, maybe now those kind child when mama go carry belle give man for where he sit down, because I dey imagine, because I first get father before, I first get father. As I dey now, I dey miss my dad, miss daddy, you so rest in peace. Now person wan carry father, my people, I tears. I say, Abi no be biological father. You know, say many things. I haven't seen one news where my God sent for me when person pikin, no be that one they talk, go give or no, that man just leave that one. Now those kind children, they get that kind mind to fit they do something. I'm not sure say person. My people, this one shock me. You know what they say? It shockalize me. You just feel open man say you want kill your papa. After your papa not let it, papa not let him, he can't say you want kill his friend. They can't ask him, say wetin be your friend name, his son name, say no know page. No school, no work, no business. Work. You don't go learn how to work. You want use your papa to make money. You want ride Lamborghini. Abi you want ride. You want use your papa blood. I'm not sure say that man are your biological father. I pray may they go do text, because if not your biological father, where is the blood? Where is the love? Where is that smile? You and your father smile together. When your father go tell you say my son, when they praise, when your father they praise you, where is those love? Sometimes I go sit down and say, I go dey imagine my father smile. Just my father smile, I go dey imagine am, my people. Sometimes I imagine my father smile. I don't still mature. I don't be adult. I don't be mother. But see those things. Where the love? Where the love of father? Where the love of mother? You want to use your father? My people, they break down just now. I hold myself because I remember my dad. On that man, my dad was so tough. I love my dad. Many of folks, that guy now when my dad give us, is still there in me. Still there, all of folks. Where is this boy now? Where is the father love? I beg. My purpose of always bringing those videos out here is to tell us, I'm still telling myself, show your child love. I think I feel pain. I cry when I remember my dad smile, my dad talk, my dad doing. Sometimes my father so when they talk, he goes, now my daughter get laugh. She can smile. My daughter can smile. Those things go they spark for my head. I go they miss my dad. I go they cry. This guy want kill your father to show say no be real father. The reason why I break this news come out, please guys, be very careful. Give birth to children when you know say you fit take care of. And if you be lady, man when he give you belle, because all those things they affect, give the father their children, so that the innocent men no dey use their head take dey collect wetin dem no sow, wetin dem no need, wetin dem no do. And if you be man out there, take care of your child the way he or she will grow. Show them love. Stand by them. Let them know that money is not everything. Love is the greatest. Happiness is the key. Money can't buy happiness. Money can't buy love. Money can just beautify you. That's all. But in your inner peace, money can't give you. Let your children know those things. And still let your children, there is hard time, there is sweet time. When hard time come, don't rush. Say you want to go wrong, do quick action or shortcut. No. Let your children know God. Show your children love. Smile with your children. I dey imagine my father smile. I dey imagine my father talk, though he is not more. Let those things be dwell in your children's mind. I use God. Because see this child, some things they want I would love to do. Those things I make some. I dey call him, but my dad, if he stay one day, not hear him, he go call me. Where is those love? I love my dad. I love my mom. Where is those love? Please, if you are out there, show your children love. If you be woman, you know say pikin when you give another man, go give one to a biological father so that may not go use caterpillar. May not go use the innocent man, because our women now, I beg, let be very careful. Wait till you know say they not do your son, not do another person's son. Wait till you know say they not do your brother, not do another person's brother. I use God. I go live in as this native daughter. They handle this guy. My talk don't over too much. Me, I live in. I go see you in my next video.
Yes. What him be name? Godwin. You know Godwin? You don't know him? No. Want to give you You don't know him?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
You don't know Godwin?
No, sir.
You don't know him?
Yes, sir.
What how you and Godwin take relate when you say, as your passport is strong to kill, to make money, as here at Central Bank or CBN. You see me finish with me when they I mean when they here, so they do my juju work. Now Godwin, what him be Godwin? Surname. Yeah. You know Godwin surname? You don't know him? Yes, sir. You know give him baby?
Yes, sir.
You give him a die,
yes, sir.
You make money?
Yes, sir.
Good. You see? You get money true. Shout money again.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
You need money.
Yes, sir.
Wealth. If I tell you should Godwin. Call him 4 times. Call him.
Godwin.
Carry your knife off now.
Godwin.
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 Say money.
Money.
Say for meter.
Money.
Say for meter.
Vomita.
So if you shoot him now, you go Godwin go die, Abi.
Yes, sir.
If you make him die there,
yes, sir.
So you get money.
Yes, sir.
You sure say you want you shoot him?
Yes, sir.
If you shoot him,
yes, sir.
I took. You get wine though. So you want to come. So if Godwin die now, make you get money. Give my life. Now you will use the money now. Then done. Now you will use. See that for a year, then. You then now, why you want beg? That's all. As you want to kill your papa is strong. You want to kill Godwin. I don't want to kill Godwin because now you are more no. See, now you will use. You know what I tell you so? Make it say as it be. Abi? I think your mind use won't use Godwin. You will use that now. What do you know? Why is that one leave you make you do so you go testify to your people for village? Say this one, you want to kill Godwin, kill him, papa. I will use that to experiment. You know what I ask?
My name is Oku.
Keep your knife, keep your cloth. Like that, make I cut your head. I don't care, papa.
Keep your clothes.
Don't care, papa.
I beg.
Don't care, papa. Now don't kill you now.
I beg.
Why you collect this by killer?
I beg.
Let's kill her. What do you please?
I beg, sir.
Why you begging me?
I beg, sir. I beg.
Why you don't beg me? Make me use you do the money. I want get money. Me where you come from?
I beg, sir.
No.
I beg, sir. I beg.
So it's like I allow you now. You kill your papa. Carry this mirror when I say your papa for inside this mirror. Carry cloth, cover that. Say you choke make him die. You do attempt. I collect my. Say your papa is strong. Say now, okay, maybe what you want to bring against God. What do you talk? Speak louder.
Say na God dream.
Say now what thing?
God dream.
God win.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to use 2 money, Abi?
Yeah, that's what I said.
That's what he said. Now, come on. Come on, knock and wear. Come on, knock and wear. Oh yeah, knock and knock you. Knock and wear. Knock and wear. Knock and wear. Knock and wear. No. Knock and wear. I see. This is said. Go and walk. Go and walk.
I see. Go and walk.
Go and walk. Let me show.
I'm still doing this, sir. I'm still doing
This where?
this.
So you go die every day.
I go die every day.
You must die every day.
I must die
Come
every
back,
day.
give you question. Not kill somebody.
I not kill
You
somebody.
know use somebody for money ritual.
I know somebody.
You will not use anybody's past
I know somebody pass.
to do any juju.
To do anything.
I lick am for your mouth. Wow. Lick am again. If you try am,
If I fire,
you go die every day.
I go die.
So you must hustle.
I must hustle.
You must make money.
I must make
But
money.
you not kill somebody.
I not kill
Lick am. I am the again. Second missionary. Face like this. What do you carry come here? What do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you?
No.
Check. What do you tell me to do for you?
No blood money, sir.
Blood.
Money.
Blood.
Money.
Talk out loud.
Money.
Now I'm gonna ask you whether we want to use.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.